All right, so once again, guys, this is Braselton Village in Braselton, Georgia, and it's a huge development here of 413 homes to be exact, and they've been open now since first quarter of 2023, so about a year ago. And I tell you, this is a big community, so there's still plenty of opportunities. They're probably going to be around for at least another 2 or 3 years because of the amount of homes that will be built and available for sale. Now, one thing that's cool about Braselton Village, two things really that I really like about this community that I find to be probably one of the best, if not the hottest new community in my opinion right now. And it is because, one, this is actually in a different county, Barrow County. So the taxes are around 1.1% versus Gwinnett County, which is around 1.4% as the taxes have risen in Gwinnett County, as well as all the other counties too, but not as much as Gwinnett. And so that is the benefit of Braselton Village. Some of you may or may not know, Braselton is divided up with 4 counties being in the city, which I did a pros and cons video of living in Braselton, Georgia, and made that a con in the video. But in this case, this is a pro because of the county this community is in, being cheaper. So property taxes, after all said and done, is going to come out to about $1,000 of savings per year. All right, so cool thing about this place is also the location. It's right next to a public shopping center, across the street from Chateau Line, the winery and resort that is renowned in the state of Georgia. Lots of people come to just experience the exquisite experience that you can get there. And also it's close to the interstate. It's not that far from I-85. So, and it's not that far from all the cool shopping and dining that you can get to in Beaufort and other parts of Gwinnett County as well. Here, being a DR Horton community, different than some of the other builders where they release their lots, and once they are released, there's only about 30 or 40% left to be built. So they close fairly quickly, about 3.5 month build time versus about 5 to 6 months, which is typically how long it takes in most new construction here in Georgia. There are 4 floor plans to pick from. The Hayden, which is a 2-story, 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom house with a 2-car garage. And then there's the Galen, which is a 2-story, 4-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home with a 2-car garage. There is the Roby, which is a 2-story, 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with a 2-car garage, similar to the Hayden as far as the bedroom bathroom count, but just the square footage is a little different, and the floor plan as well. And then you've got, lastly but not least, the Hanover, which is a 2-story, 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home as well with a 2-car garage. A lot of awesome floor plans here to pick from, and the amenities are rich. You've got tennis courts, pickleball courts, clubhouse, playground, a kid and adult pools. And the HOA is pretty good given how many amenities you have, and that's because of how big the community is that people are paying into. It's $750 a year for the HOA. Also, the Publix that it's next to is actually going to be relocated to a 2-story Publix that's being built out in a new commercial retail space, not that far, like really directly in front of the community. So that's going to be an awesome convenience. And guess what else will be there? A Trader Joe's. That's right. And if you're thinking about other things like where is the nearest hospital, Northeast Hospital is about 2.5 miles down Highway 211. And around there in that hospital, they're going to develop a huge shopping center type area that's similar to the Avalon. So they've got so much going on here that I really find Braselton Village to be the hot spot right now of all communities that are for sale in Metro Atlanta. Now, there are no ranch floor plans, so keep in mind the 4 floor plans that I mentioned are all 2-story. And as far as trying to get a contract on one of these houses, basically you just have to deposit the earnest money, sign a contract, do that, usually on the same day. Sometimes they let you do earnest money deposit the following day, and that's it. You're locked in. For the earnest money, it is $5,000, which is very nice because a lot of other communities can do 10, 15, 20, even 30,000 earnest money. So this one, it's not a big barrier to entry. It's only $5,000. Now keep in mind also that the longer the community is being built over time, prices do rise, but they haven't had many price increases either. They had one from December to March of $5,000. Some other communities, they go up every 3 houses that sell, or after 1 month, it's an increase of $2,500. So this one's not bad. And again, 3 to 3.5 months build time on these homes. The only setback I would say is because it is such a short build time, it's because they have already predetermined the features of the house. So unlike other communities where you can go into design center, this one you don't. It's already chosen. So you basically have to choose the house. What you see is what you get, kind of thing.
Hey guys, so I'm actually out here with a client live. They're taking a look at this Hanover floor plan. It's their biggest one, about 2,800 square feet, 5-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom. This one's already under contract, but we're taking a look inside because it's hard to find a home that's completed that we can actually see what the floor plan looks like if it's not already the model home. So again, this is their biggest floor plan right here, lot 80, 2-story, 5-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom. So over 400 homes in this community being built out for the next 3 years. So as big as, say, Ashton Woods Encore in Duluth, Sweetwater Green in Lawrenceville. Here's another one with 400 plus homes. And honestly, I find this to be the better of the three because Barrow County, about $1,000 you're gonna save per year on property taxes. And you're still in an area that's not far from all the major shopping and dining areas. You're down the street from Chateau Elan Winery and Resort. Classy place, classy resort. You've got a new Publix being built out nearby in front of this community. And the home prices they're dirt cheap. This is like $425,000. Yeah, I said that correctly. And the schools are better than the ones at Sweetwater Green. And maybe there's some truth to be said that Ashton Woods Encore is in a better location, but you're not gonna have to worry about crime as much. Safety is better here overall. Not gated, but incredible amenities for $700 a year. You've got a kiddie pool, an adult swimming pool, a place for competition swimming, a clubhouse, tennis courts, pickleball courts, a lot of green areas where you can like host events or whatnot. And again, this is a lot of amenities for just a $700 annual HOA due. If you're looking to buy a home here, please feel free to reach out to me. I've built business relationships with all of these builders. I oversee all the contracts, paperwork, get you an inspection, get you a lender, if not with the preferred lender, somebody that I trust who can get the job done well. So come take a look at this community with me, book a call with me, and I'll come show you what these homes are all about.
Now, if you're looking to make a move to this community or any new construction community, please feel free to give me a call. I represent buyers on the new construction side as well, and it is to your benefit. You do not lose anything by working with me, you only gain. And in fact, check out the links to my 2 videos above, the step-by-step process of how to buy a new construction home, part 1, part 2 in Georgia. And I tell you, I go over everything in extreme detail. So only more so if you work with me, I can help you through the process. And it's great because you don't have to pay my commission. It comes through the builder's broker. So anyway, give me a call if you're looking to schedule an appointment, want more information, want to know more about the new construction buying process. I am here for you. Subscribe, like, catch you on the next video.